I didn't get that. Hang on. There's the stake. Okay. Right back to where the cars are straight.
That's the lot I'm keeping.
Okay.
And then everything this way is the 3 lots you're buying.
Okay.
And if I decide I want to sell that, I'll let him know.
Yeah.
You know, if it doesn't work out for me, or, you know. And you can see that's like a $2+ million house across the street.
Oh, for sure.
These guys are 5 acres, 3 acres. So there's lots of horse property. That guy has an RV garage and beautiful home. He owns a roofing company.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm sure if they wouldn't mind first right of refusal, you know, on that first lot if it didn't work out.
More than the other ones, just because I have my plans and stuff in there.
Yeah.
But, you know, it makes sense. I mean, you can walk down this way and see how deep it is. It goes basically back to that guy's driveway.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be really nice if there were 4 other home sites just like this one. Pretty much over here.
And that's what I was planning, was 2.1, 2.5 range with pool and everything. And, or more. You know how the market is. I think the RV garage is a huge deal right now, especially in this area. And there's not a lot that are for sale. No one's really done that concept. That was my plan, was to do, you know, some smaller home, 3,000, 4,000 square feet, and then a couple thousand square foot RV garage.
Yeah, definitely popular here.
Yeah, no HOA, horse property, no HOA. Lots that have power and water. Septic is the only down thing, which really isn't bad in Cave Creek. So.
Okay. Well, we're back to basically where we started, I guess, at this intersection.
Yeah. Yep. So it's not a bad dirt road. You know.
No, I thought it was going to be much worse. It was totally fine. Yeah.
I was going to pave this, you know, fix this a little here too, and the entrance into that 44th Street when we did it. So.
Yeah. I've been through some in Rio Verde and stuff that, I mean, not that I have like an off-road vehicle, but I needed one. It was dicey just getting me.
Rio Verde's just a bad deal because of the freaking water.
Yep. Yeah, it wasn't for these guys or anything. It was like 2 years ago. There was someone who bought a house over there, but the road to it was not paved, and it was a beast.
I've had people talk about it. I've stood clear of that because I've had friends that have lived out there.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it is a dirt road, but it's not, you know, I mean, it's pretty.
Yeah, I mean, you could even chip seal it and they'd be okay, but I just planned on paving it. That's why I had my guy out here already.
Yeah, you can get down that easily. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, well, like I said, we're back at the
Yeah, there's nobody like right next door that's got 14 horses.
Yeah.
A bunch of stuff. So.
Right. No. All right.
That's just a matter of keeping it clean. So.